We just received some fantastic feedback from one of our great clients. They wanted to tell us what a great job we did for them, and we wanted to share it with you. It never gets old to hear our customers post these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing our customers are happy. It motivates us to continue working hard and providing the best possible service. Happy customers are the key to our success, allowing us to continue growing our customer base. We want to earn your business the best way we know how by providing you with the best customer service possible. Come and see what we can do for you today. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us on the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.